The Newmar King Air is more than just a motorhome. It's a luxurious mobile residence designed to cater to the most discerning travelers. Built exclusively on the Spartan K3 tag axle chassis, renowned for its strength and reliability, the King Air is powered by a Cummins X diesel engine. It delivers an impressive 605 horsepower and 1,950 pound-feet of torque, ensuring smooth, powerful performance even on steep grades and long stretches of highway. Engineered to provide a superior ride, the King Air boasts 4 floor plans, each stretching 45 feet in length, maximizing living space and comfort. One of its standout features is Newmar's exclusive full-paint masterpiece finish with a cut-and-buff process, resulting in a flawless, glossy surface that looks stunning in any light. Inside, the attention to detail is nothing short of exceptional. Every inch is designed with luxury and convenience in mind, creating a space that feels like a 5-star hotel on wheels. Italian leather furniture brings timeless elegance and ultimate comfort. Both the sofa and the driver and passenger seats feature integrated seat belts, ensuring safety without compromising style. The kitchen is a masterpiece, showcasing a super polished solid quartz countertop, complete with a farmhouse sink for a perfect blend of modern functionality and style. The bathroom and bedroom also feature super polished quartz countertops, creating a unified, luxurious aesthetic throughout the motorhome. Additional details include lifts on the bed top for easy storage access, 2 table leaves, and 2 folding chairs for flexible dining or workspaces. A 10-watt solar panel charges the chassis battery, supporting eco-friendly power management. The Newmar King Air is truly the epitome of luxury motorhomes, starting at $637,440. The Marathon Coach 1332 is a masterpiece of engineering and design, offering an unparalleled level of luxury and comfort. Built on the legendary H3 model chassis from Prevost and brilliantly designed by the artisans at Marathon, the 1332 redefines what it means to travel in style. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and opulent interior. 4 slides maximize the living space, while the Grand Cayman floor plan ensures that every inch is utilized effectively. The master suite can be separated from the rest of the coach using an air pocket door, providing privacy and tranquility. The rear super bath is a spa-like retreat, featuring a large shower with a privacy glass door, double vanity sinks, and a stacked washer and dryer. This bathroom offers everything you need for a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. The huge salon is the perfect place to unwind and entertain guests. The fireplace creates a cozy ambiance, while the 50-inch LED backlit LCD TV provides endless entertainment options. The handsome split galley is equipped with everything you need to prepare gourmet meals, and the gorgeous cockpit with bright leathers and dark bamboo flooring adds a touch of elegance. The 1332 is packed with the latest technology, including Crestron audio-video iPad controls and XPEL Clear Chip Guard for added protection. The patented Freedom Plus sewer system ensures a hassle-free camping experience. High-end appliances and ample counter space make this kitchen as functional as it is stylish. From gourmet meals to a quick snack, you have everything you need. Priced at a staggering $2,479,000, this motor coach offers the kind of luxury that turns heads wherever you go. For Travel IH45 has revolutionized the luxury RV industry with the introduction of its patent-pending Performance Choice Ride and Handling Enhancement feature. With its powerful 605 horsepower engine, spacious 45-foot layout, and comfortable accommodations, the IH45 is the perfect choice for discerning travelers who demand the best. The Performance Choice system offers 2 distinct modes, Sport and Touring. In Sport mode, the IH45 delivers a tighter, firmer ride, perfect for navigating winding roads or mountainous terrain. But when it's time to relax, simply switch to Touring mode and enjoy a softer, smoother drive, ideal for long highway stretches. To ensure a whisper-quiet, smooth ride, the IH45 is equipped with 2 auxiliary air spring ping tanks that reduce cabin noise and improve the overall feel of the road. The IH45 offers a luxurious interior experience, with spacious living areas, a gourmet kitchen featuring natural quartz countertops, and a spa-like bathroom. Every detail is designed for comfort and elegance. Imagine preparing meals on these natural quartz countertops in both the kitchen and bathroom. And with the choice of traditional wood or laminate cabinetry, you can customize your coach's interior to your taste. At the end of the day, retreat to the master bedroom, complete with a king-size bed featuring the Slumber Ease system, designed for ultimate comfort and relaxation after a day on the road. Climate control is a breeze, with 4 air conditioning units strategically placed throughout the coach. Priced at $649,000, this 45-foot masterpiece offers the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, power, and world-class craftsmanship. The Newmar Essex is a luxury motorhome that offers an unparalleled level of refinement and sophistication. The Essex pulling into a premium RV resort with close-up shots of the sleek, polished exterior. This 45-foot coach is crafted for those who seek both style and substance. Available on a Freightliner SL or Spartan K3 tag axle chassis, it boasts 605 horsepower with 1,950 pound-feet of torque from a powerful Cummins X15 diesel engine. Inside, the Essex offers 4 meticulously designed floor plans, each featuring a bath-and-a-half layout and a rear bathroom with Newmar's unique cathedral ceiling for extra height. The interiors are customizable, with choices of 4 stunning finishes, including 2 new options and 4 wood cabinetry stains. Expect top-tier craftsmanship with concealed hinges, pull-out pantry shelves, dovetail drawers, and Bosch appliances, making this coach feel like a true home on wheels. Entertainment is front and center, with Samsung LED TVs and Bose sound systems in the living room and bedroom. For the driver, the dash includes a touchscreen navigation system, dual monitors, and a Harman or JBL 360-watt sound system with a subwoofer, providing both luxury and cutting-edge technology. With refined decor and handcrafted luxury, the Newmar Essex is for the discerning traveler who expects nothing but the best in their travel experience. Starting at $1,062,900, the Newmar Essex is not just a coach, it's a lifestyle. Luxury, elegance, and performance, all in one extraordinary package. The Winnebago Forza is designed to accommodate a variety of travel styles and preferences. With its flexible sleeping and seating arrangements, you can create the perfect living space for your needs. Built on the Freightliner XCM chassis with the Maxim E2TM foundation, the Forza provides a smoother ride and improved handling, all powered by a 340 horsepower Cummins turbo diesel engine. Step inside, where versatility meets comfort. The Forza offers a welcoming living space with an optional fireplace, swivel cab seats, and theater seating, perfect for relaxing after a day of adventure. For entertainment, the Forza features a 50-inch HD TV. The kitchen is equipped with Corian countertops, a 3-burner cooktop, a microwave convection oven, and a large residential-style refrigerator. For personal care, the Forza includes a medicine cabinet, a 38-inch by 30-inch shower, a washer and dryer, and a side-to-side movable king bed. With all these amenities, the Forza can comfortably accommodate up to 5 people. Enjoy outdoor living with a powered patio awning and LED lighting, creating the perfect space for evening relaxation under the stars. And for the driver, a 9-inch rear-view monitor ensures you have full visibility and control, making every journey as smooth as possible. Wherever the road takes you, the Winnebago Forza will ensure you get there in comfort and style. Your adventure awaits. Starting at $480,207, this diesel-powered Class A motorhome is built for those who crave both luxury and versatility. So, there you have it. These 5 motorhomes redefine the way we experience life on the road. Let us know in the comments which motorhome you'd love to travel in. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.